Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. If you are having trouble with the BMO app showing a blue screen or being unable to log in, you are not alone. Let's go through some steps to fix this issue. So first, try force closing the BMO app and reopening it. On most smartphones, you can do this by swiping app from the bottom of your screen and swiping away the app to close it. Then, reopen the app and see if the problem still persists. Next, go to your device settings and find the BMO app. Now you need to clear its cache and data. This can help resolve any temporary issues that might be causing the blue screen or login problems. Next, make sure your BMO app is up to date. Go to your App Store, search for the BMO application, and install any available updates. An outdated version of the app could be causing the issue. If the above steps don't work, try restarting your device. This can refresh your system and potentially resolve any software conflicts that are causing the issue. And that is how you fix the BMO app blue screen and login issues. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.